With the headwinds of Russia-Ukraine conflict, epidemic impacts, and weakening global demand, also China's economy has faced downward pressure. Infrastructure investment plays a significant role for China's economic growth. However, the market is also questioning whether it is a sustainable development. Selena, why there are concerns about the sustainability?
China's infrastructure investment is mainly led and financed by the government. It has a strong macro control effect and brings support to GDP. However, China's urbanization has entered the mid to late stage. In some instances, excessive investment in infrastructure has created good cities and high debt ratios to local governments. The scale of special purpose bond issuance has raised rapidly from 100 billion RMB in 2015 to more than 3 trillion RMB last year. Among them, China's basic constructions like transportation accounts for 70% capital usage.
What can Chinese government do to solve the current dilemma?
The best transformation direction is the green development, which is also a global trend. One expert mentions that to control the global temperature to rise by less than 2 degrees by 2015, China will need to invest more than 100 trillion RMB. This suggests an average of 3.6 trillion RMB investments per year, compared to special purpose bond issuance, which valued 3.6 trillion RMB last year. The new direction can replace traditional infrastructure projects. In a recent NDRC press conference, the Chinese government not just mentioned large-scale projects like water concerns that creates more job opportunity and stimulate effective investment demand, but also focus more on energy supply. This year, we can see more nuclear power, hydropower, large-scale wind power, and solar energy construction projects.
What is your outlook on infrastructure investments for this year?
I think the infrastructure projects will speed up in the second half of this year. From January to May this year, infrastructure investment increased by 6.7% year-over-year. However, we have noticed that the issuance of new special purpose bonds in 2022 is the fastest when compared with the past few decades. Up to now, 2.55 trillion RMB of special purpose bonds had been issued. If infrastructure investment grows by 10% in 2022, an extra 1% of GDP growth increasing the chance of China to achieve its GDP target of 5.5% for 2022. Infrastructure investments are not only an effective macroeconomic measures to support growth, especially in difficult times, but it can also be used to accelerate the transformation to a greener economy. In the HSI China Fund, we currently hold several companies that will benefit from increased spending on the development of a green infrastructure.
That's it for today. Thank you for watching and hope to see you again in the next episode.